Come all you friends, let me sing you a little ditty about a place in the cyberverse where it's called Scursday Studio. With keystrokes and pixels, they shape their art, a tapestry of wonder right from the start. From medieval skies to cybernetic dreams, Scursday's creations push the boundaries, it seems. Scursday Studio, where fantasy reigns in the world they've crafted, where magic remains from the land of the...
Hello Outlanders, welcome to my Nightingale video. Today I'll be showing you my first sort of survival camps. I know I'm late in the game in this, but it's better to be late than never. So these are your basic survival tents. And I put a bedroll for myself and my ally, and a little storage for personal belongings. Got my cooking station, and my other crafting stations. And over here, we got more storage for the different items you will come across in the Fey realms. So, as we look over here, there's many types of structures, and a beautiful world to explore here. But I'm going to show you why I generally pick the locations that I do. With that, I start with the middle of the maps. And there's roughly 150 different locations in the game. So, I choose the middle, depending on terrain. That's why I'm over on the right side, a little farther out than usual. Because, you know, the terrain is a lot nicer and flatter. But anyways, I try to stay around the center, just so I can spread out and get all the resources that I need to build my camps, build my items, and have a comfy living while I'm exploring these dangerous worlds. So, with that, I wish you all a good time in the Fey worlds, and have
in the heart of the modern age, where the greenback stains, goldbacks took the stage. Their securities in sync, spending through the day and night. A note like a champagne, a currency with history, a syncopated refrain. Paper face, digital blips come and go, but goldbacks stay shining, defy the trends they know. Each build a canvas, adorned with scenes so fine, a tribute to resilience where dreams intertwine. Whoa, goldback shine, you're the cat's meow, a vault of value, a glimmer and a vow, backed by golden promises, a timeless breed. Goldback, oh goldback, Scursday's legends grow. Come all ye friends, let me sing you a little ditty about a place in the cyberverse